I can't deal with it!
Oh, God, my arm! Oh, oh.
Hi. I really like your children. Are you filming me?
My lord, anything you say.
Brock, you gotta get this kid away from me. Everything's all flip-flop. I mean, I'm the cool as a cucumber here, and this guy's lost it. He's off the radar. He went from here to here, diagonal instead of upward, straight across.
Yeah, you've been around these parts a lot. How long have you been living here?
Well, how long have you known Sam for?
Oh, Sam? I don't know, we go back, well, Rob and I...
Yeah.
Rob and I go back with Sam a while back, actually. I mean, back when we were cradle robbers. Doesn't mean what you think it is. We had a good hustle stealing cradles, like from like...
We did steal cradles. It was good.
Where'd Sam go? Did you see where Sam went, actually?
I don't,
He wanders off sometimes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is he okay?
No, he's fine. Actually, is that
Sam?
Yo, Sam!
ah, shit, I was reminiscing about the cradle robbing.
You gotta stop filming this. You gotta stop.
Sam? Sam?
Phil!
Sam! Oh my God! You okay?
The trains are coming and things aren't looking good for Sam.
Sam, get up.
I need the strength. The train is coming. Here. Taking me.
Sam, over here.
Taking me to that.
Oh no, don't eat that.
Give me it! I need this.
Don't eat it!
It's coming, man. The train's coming to take me home.
No! This way, Sam. Sam, no.
It's kicking in. It's kicking in. Train's coming, man. That's it. That's it for old Sammy boy. All right. Phil and Bill, I'm coming home. Here we go. It's a goddamn sweet time. I just want to die. I mean, Phil, it's been a blast. I actually have to take care of some appointments. I actually work in an office. Yeah, it's coming, man. Nature takes a sick, twisted... Dog! Sam!
Sam? Sam? Sam, is that you? Sam!
What? Phil?
Where the hell were you?
I seem to have broken my legs. The
Okay?
train recently came by.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
Do you need help with your leg?
I feel pretty, I can't feel my legs. You need to hand me some of those leaves there.
Anything for you, Lord.
It's the sunset. The light becomes away.
Sam, you're terribly injured. You need to rest.
Yeah.
Why don't you go lie down?
Okay.
There's a good spot over there. Why don't you?
Okay.
I'm gonna help you out here.
My legs are not.
How you doing there, Sam?
Chuck, is that you? Chuck?
Yo, Chuck's been dead for a while, man. Look, yo, don't worry, dude. He's gonna be fine. He's gonna be fine.
We can't lose him again.
He's not. Oh God, fucking jeez.
Only one thing must be done.
Huh?
Only one thing must be done.
Interesting.
Chuck?
Your father's calling you.
The foliage is lovely this time of year. The birds. The feathers are strong.
It's all for the best.
There's all sorts of... It's the fish are spawning, swimming upriver.
You'll be there soon, Lord.
The crystal silence of a moonlit campfire with Chuck.
It's all for the best.
Chuck.
I don't crucify all the time.
Ooh, what are we doing here? Oh my God, what is happening? Phil, what are you doing? Brock, where are you? Brock!
Yeah, I'm right here, man.
Right, this might
What's going on?
This might sting a bit.
What's going
Ready?
on? What's going on?
Sam, I love you.
Ah! Ah! Ow! The snake! The documentary! Everything's coming clear. I'm sobering up, man. Oh, God. Oh, quite a mess. Quite a mess I'm in, huh?
Hey, babe, what's going on?
Phil,
Oh, it's been a great day at work.
I'm losing.
Really? Oh my God, you made shepherd's pie? Oh my God, you are too sweet, Sarah. Oh my God, no way! You're over there?
Sweet nectar of the sunflowers once again caresses my lips as I kiss the Mother Earth. Farewell. Just disemboweled.
Up!
Rickshaw. Thanks for joining in. The epic journey for Sam Samson, parts 1, 2, and 3. Now, as you're all wondering out there, you're probably saying, Dad, why do you hit me? I mean, you're probably wondering, why? What happened to Sam? Well, Sam was resuscitated on site, and then left bleeding in the moonlight a second time, and then resuscitated a third. And as he came back, he said he was there with Chuck in the campfire light, with the epic stars shining above from Vesuvius. And as the wind spirit blew, Waban, spirit keeper of the north, came through. And Waben, spirit keeper of the west, came through. And then Walus, spirit keeper of due north and latitude south in junction with Polaris, all came through. And eventually, Chuck started bleeding profusely from both eye sockets. And as for Phil, he went home to have some shepherd's pie with his wife, but was brutally struck by a cement mixer, and basically his skull was crushed on contact. Contact! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Janan? Janan? Janan, is this bad? Janan? Janan!
I'll kind of flipping out.
Evening.
Caught in kids since '82.
I said evening.